This distinguished Italianate landmark has overlooked Baxter Park since 1861. Located just 0.5 miles from the Canadian border, the home on 1.29 acres was originally built for local banker Walter Cobb, and later held by another prominent family for more than a century. It remains one of the county's finest examples of 19th century architecture. An attached garage or barn provides room for up to 4 vehicles with a full second level above. The home has been thoughtfully renovated, including an enlarged and modernized kitchen designed for both entertaining and everyday living. Inside, the first floor features soaring 11-foot ceilings, a grand open staircase, and gracious living spaces. Offering 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, the property also includes approximately 1,000 square feet of additional space in the former maids' quarters. Don't miss this rare opportunity to acquire a piece of local history at auction.